Are you bored of the same old chicken recipes? Then stay with me because today I'm going to show you how to make authentic lemon pepper chicken juicy, zesty, and absolutely delicious. This recipe is simple, quick, and tastes better than restaurant-style chicken. Let's start by preparing the marinade. Take half a kilogram of chicken and add half a cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything well so each piece of chicken is nicely coated. Cover and marinate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. The longer the marination, the juicier and more flavorful the chicken will be. Now let's cook it. Heat 1/4 cup of cooking oil in a pan. Once hot, add 6 to 7 black peppercorns, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a bay leaf, half a stick of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamoms, and 2 cloves. Saute these whole spices until fragrant. Next, place the chicken pieces one by one and sear them until lightly golden. Then add the remaining marinade with just a splash of water, cover, and let it cook on medium flame until the chicken turns soft, tender, and juicy. By this stage, the aroma of lemon and spices will fill your kitchen. It's irresistible. Finally, garnish with fresh coriander, sliced green chilies, and a pinch of extra black pepper. This adds freshness, heat, and that signature zesty kick. Just look at the rich, peppery sauce coating the chicken. It's absolutely mouth-watering. And that's it, our authentic lemon pepper chicken is ready to serve. You can enjoy it with naan, roti, or steamed rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Also, let me know in the comments what chicken recipe you'd like me to make next. Thanks for watching Wajeeha's Cooking Corner.